Every single thing I'm talking about today has a free video or written blog post about it. I have gifts for adults, children, and even pets. Number one would be a denim jacket. Upcycle. All you have to do for this is cut out some piece of fabric and you can sew or glue it down to the back of a jacket. I've done this for my own kids and it turned out super cute. This also makes a really great baby gift. Number two would be a ruffle mirror frame. So if you know someone who likes a little bit more whimsical looks, this is a tutorial from Sarah Kirsten Patterns, and she goes and shows you how to take any mirror and put a ruffle around it. This would make a really nice handmade touch for a gift. Next, a fabric wall frame. You could do a picture of you with the loved one that you are giving your gift to. Add some fabric around the frame to make it a little more personal. A ruffle tote bag from Sarah Kirsten Patterns. She has a free video on this as well as some instructions on her blog. This would make a really nice gift for someone in your life. This could be a grocery bag if you wanted to make it a little bit cuter for them. Next, a ruffle pillowcase is really a nice, simple gift that you could give to someone, maybe if they're looking to add a little color into their home, or if you know what their color palette is, you could do this, give them a couple matching pillowcases. If you know someone who loves a large bowl of soup in the wintertime, like I do, and I think most of us do, a bowl cozy would be a really nice gift for someone. These are super easy to make, and there's a tutorial from Gathered Seams that shows you how to make the whole thing from beginning to end. Next, a tea kettle cover. The one that I'll be linking is from Agnes Studio. I will be making this for my own mother-in-law. She has one that is really old and has burnt around the edges at this point. This is something that's simple. This would come together in probably under 2 hours. And if you know someone who likes tea, this would be just a great simple gift for them. And you could also personalize it with a bow at the top or something cute like that. Next would be a line zipper pouch. The tutorial I'm going to link is from Made Every Day. This is really a simple gift that could double as a makeup bag or a pencil bag for someone. This is, again, easy to customize with a certain color zipper or whatever fabric you want and just do something really cute and simple. They could keep this in their car for coins or something like that. This is one of my favorites, a reversible bucket hat. This tutorial that I'll be linking is from Made Every Day. And this would make a great gift for really any age. I think bucket hats are really trendy right now, so this would be a cute way to make matching things for cousins. Really, this is something that could be given to an adult or kids. Fabric postcards. The link that I will be sharing is from Man Sewing. I am definitely going to make some of these for my mom. She loves postcards. She loves to send them and receive them. And this would just be a really nice way to elevate that postcard. So if you know someone who is into stationery or just likes those more meaningful written word gifts, this would be a really great gift for them. Next would be some coasters. You could quilt these and personalize them in so many different ways. The wristlet keychains. The tutorial that I'm linking is from Jessica Shaw, and this is something that would be a super easy and practical gift that people will think of you every time they go to use it because it would be on their keys or they would be carrying it around with them every day. An oven mitt. This is, again, something super simple and easy that anyone can use. They would probably be using this every day. If you don't want to go through the rigmarole of trying to do a hand fit, which I don't think would be that difficult, you could also just do a mitt, more like a mat to put hot pans on. That would be a really simple and easy way to make a gift that someone would actually use. If you are about the same size as someone who you know, then a pair of boxer shorts would be a really great gift. You could just measure them out on yourself and sew them for your friend or your family member. I found a free quilted vest tutorial for you all from Frills and Flares. This would be such a cute gift. These are super trendy right now. Everyone seems to be wearing vests. So if you have a fabric that you think someone would really like, making a vest would be an easy go-to. The great thing about vests is they're also not super tight fitting. So if you are making it for someone else and you don't have their exact measurements, but you can guess, this would be able to fit. There's a little wiggle room there. If you know someone who is a fellow sewing enthusiast, making them a handmade pincushion would be super cute. The link that I'm going to include is from Sydney Graham. She has a lot of great tutorials, and this one she shows you how to do all for free. If you have kids in your life, doing some sort of applique wall hanging would be such a great gift. I know that I would love to receive one of these for my own kids in their nursery or in the playroom. The tutorial that I'm providing is one that I actually made recently in one of my other videos that I will, of course, give the link for. I've done two now. I did a little house setting and then I also did a sailboat setting, and they were so easy to make. I was able to make these in under one nap time. You can really make these customizable. So if you know a kid who is into certain characters or if the parents have a certain theme for the nursery, this would be a really easy way to add some color to the wall. Next is a kid's playbook. This would be super simple. It does not have to be long, 2 to 3 pages for a baby to just really feel around, touch, be able to add something on the corners that they can tug on and pull, maybe chew on. That would be a really quick and easy gift for someone. Along those same lines, a crinkle baby toy. If you keep that paper plastic that your cereal comes wrapped in and enclose that in some fabric, turn it right side out, you have a baby crinkle toy. It really could not be easier. Next would be a baby playmat. If you have some extra scrapped fabric, this can be done in a quilted way to do like a quilt top piecing, or if you have one really large piece of fabric, you could top stitch along some pieces on there to make it look like there's grass and flowers. This would be such an easy and practical gift. Similar to the baby playmat is a playmat for kids that wraps up, that has handles. This is honestly quite genius. I will put the link in the description. Next would be a name banner or a happy birthday banner. I have been seeing all over social media people doing happy birthday banners for their kids, and I think that this would actually be something that is in high demand. People want something that is handmade that they are able to pull out for their kids' birthdays. And being able to gift this to someone who has kids would actually be super special. And this really could become more of an heirloom piece. If you are able to get some colors that you think could work for the full family, this is something that a family could use 5, 6 times a year on everyone's birthday. Bring it out, and it's the special birthday banner. A pacifier clip. This is really a quick and easy project. This is something that you could pull the fabric out of your scrap bin for, and anyone who's having a baby would probably benefit from this. A baby bodysuit. I have actually made this exact one, and it turned out really well. It was one of my first sewing projects about 2 years ago. The instructions were very clear, and best of all, the pattern is free. This one is one of my favorite pictures, a felt board that someone could have in their playroom. This one is very simple. It really just requires some larger pieces of felt, some scissors, and a creative mind to cut out the shapes that you want. This could go hang in a playroom. It's a very cheap, easy project, but it would also fill up a large space on someone's wall if they are looking to add more color to their room, or if they just want to get toys off the floor. Last but not least, we have gifts for the pets. We can't leave the pets out. If you know someone who has dogs, these two gifts would be perfect. These are both from C. Kate Sew. First off, a dog collar. These look super cute and again could be made really out of your scraps. This would be such a cute customizable gift. You could embroider on the dog's name if you know it and if you wanted to go that route. Number two is a dog poop bag holder. It's not something that we want to walk around and do, but if you have a dog, you're taking them on walks, you have to. So you might as well do it with something a little bit cuter than just that plasticky attachment for the leash. I really hope this was helpful to all of you. I will be making some of these and filming sew-alongs. If you would like to follow along, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and please share this with someone who is looking for ideas to sew homemade gifts, but is maybe feeling a little bit stressed about their finances. And I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you next time.